everyone, there was a question about how to graph the piecewise function, and basically it just uses the scissors and the eraser. So for this one it says graph a of x equals negative x for x less than 1. So first I'm going to graph negative x. Here's my first point, here's the second point, right? It's negative x. And now I need to only graph it for x less than 1. So I use the scissors and I type in what point I want to break it off. So I want to break it at x1, which in this case is a y of negative 1 if you were to plug it in. And then you use the eraser, so I only want less than 1, which means all the greater than 1 side needs to be erased. And then the last step for this one is that because there's no equal sign, I also have to plot an open circle on that end. Okay. And check answer, it should be correct. And we're moving on to our second part, right? Same thing for all the other shapes. It gives you a couple different shapes here. So for this one, square root of x minus 1, which is 1 to the right as a transformation. Okay, there's my first point, there's my second point. And then it says for x greater than or equal to 1. This case it already is. I am going to put a closed circle just in case, so no cutting needed. And then the last part is to plot them together. Okay, so we're doing the same two steps. 1, negative 1, eraser, open circle, okay, radical, and closed circle. Right, so the same exact 4 steps that we did before. And then again, check our answer, and it's happy. It's a happy graph. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Bye.